In this episode, you're never going to believe what we make out of this stack of wood. The first thing you want to do is you want to glue the edges of your board together. Next, you'll want to add a few clamps. After everything dries, remove your clamps. Then you'll want to trim your boards. I recommend using a miter saw for this step. Next, you'll want to sand your boards. I recommend starting with an 80 grit sandpaper and working your way up to 180 grit.
Okay, so I'm finished sanding this. Now the next step is to attach my sides. Now to do that, I have some wood sitting right there that I'm going to use, and I have a few more other pieces that I need to grab, cut down, and then I'll show you how we're going to actually attach it to the base.
Next, we're going to be attaching the side boards using some glue and brad nails. Be sure to wipe any excess glue that squeezes out. After you've nailed everything together, you're going to use wood putty to cover up the holes. After your wood putty dries, be sure to sand it down so it's ready for staining. I use Varathane Early American for my stain. I love Varathane stains. They're the best in my opinion. I'll put a link to the one I used in the description below. Next, we're going to make this tray water resistant by putting a coat of polyurethane on it.
Alright, so here is the tray that we have made. It is to sit on top of an ottoman in my basement. And it's really great for storing drinks or TV remotes and things like that. So I'm going to take this down in our basement and show you what it looks like, where its final resting place will be.
So here you have it. This is the tray and its final resting place. My wife really likes how it turned out, and a happy wife is a happy life for sure. Well, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. I'd appreciate it. And also, if you don't want to miss other videos that I'm making, consider subscribing. There's no pressure at all. Just, if you like this stuff and you like this channel, I'd appreciate it. All right, guys, well, I'm going to sit back and watch some YouTube videos. I'm really faking it. I'm not watching anything. I'm just acting like I'm watching it. So if you've made it to the end of this video, this is just kind of a little bonus thing just to see if you guys liked the ending of this video. If you do, post in the comments and say, we loved the ending. It'd make me happy. All right, so I'm gonna basically fake like I'm watching YouTube videos. Oh, that's a really good one. Oh, I like this channel a lot. Bourbon Moth, he's awesome. Wood Whisperer, great. Four Eyes Furniture, he's good too. All right. Have a good one, guys. I'll see you in the next video.